Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can download and install RStudio in Windows. Simply go to your browser and search RStudio. From the search results, go to the specific web page. Here you will get two set of files, one of R and the one of RStudio. You need to download both these set of files, so download both of them. Now from here you will see the file for Linux, Mac and Windows. Download the Windows file. Click on this option. Click on download. Now download the installer file of RStudio. Once you download both the files, install R first. You can select the language from here. Click on OK. Click on proceeding by pressing next. And finally it will install. Now once done installing R, you can proceed with the installation of RStudio. That's it. After the installation completes, you can search RStudio and open it. Click on OK from here. And that's it, the program will load. Enjoy using your RStudio. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.